Has the internet changed the way teachers are teaching, children are learning? What do you think every teacher should know about the power of the internet?
Well, the internet definitely has changed when teachers prepare, because there are so many ready-made lesson plans and things like that. I agree, but then those are, they are not made for the kind. They are not customized. Your children are different. Well, you do take ideas from them, but customize them to your students. The internet definitely has changed the kind of tools. Like when I taught school, I'm talking about school, when I taught school from 1987 to 1996, we only had the blackboard. We had an epidioscope where you put in a book and the book would get projected. I don't know if you remember that one.
I saw an OHP.
Right. So
Is that the same thing?
no, this is not the OHP. This is an epidioscope where you put a print book and the book would get reflected. But technology was not the kind of technology that you had today. So everything was on the way you taught and how enthusiastic and dynamic you were. Today, it's so much more easier to teach. Like sometimes I said, hey, I should have been a teacher now in this era. So, I would have used these games or I would have used these apps in the class and teaching would have been so much more fun. So I think it's easier to teach now with the kind of tools that you have, but equally challenging with the kind of kids that you have. So you got to remember that. And again, you got to remember that technology isn't magic. Teachers are.
Yeah, I remember in one of the conferences I heard this person saying, technology is not going to replace a teacher, but a teacher who knows to use technology well will replace a teacher who doesn't know to use technology well.
Correct. You're right.
You're
right.
That is the first thing. And the second thing he also told me was technology is an amplifier. It amplifies good teaching. It amplifies bad teaching.
Correct.
So you better be teaching well.
Right.
In that sense.
Right.